Hello, madam. Hello, sir. This is Darnapu Ganesh. Hall ticket number 21955A0302. Mechanical Engineering, third year, fifth semester, Iare College. Now I'm going to present my tech talk topic on performance analysis of GNSS units in manned helicopter operations. The topic, I repeat, the topic name is performance analysis of GNSS units and in manned helicopter operations. Helicopter operations means these operations is this operation is done by a human or a man. So that is the reason the title itself indicate the title itself saying that this operation is held under the man or a human. So that is the reason the name telling that it is a manned helicopter. And Global Navigation Satellite System, GNSS. GNSS stands for Global Navigation System and receives makers United States make use of United States and Global Positioning System. Global Position System is GPS. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. Russia's Global Navigation Satellite System, that is GLO, Global Navigation. A means Navigation Satellite System, that is this. That is Russia's Global Navigation Satellite System, GLONASS. European Galileo, China's Behavior, Japanese satellite system colonies to determine the geolocation. Geolocation, nothing but it is a area of the particular nation. For example, geopolitics of an India, nothing but it is a total area covered of the India. That is known as geolocation of the receiver based on the location of satellites. We already know what is the satellites and what is the satellites are doing right now. Satellite sends the signals from any place to any place. For example, if you take an example of live match of a cricket or kabaddi or any other thing, we can able to see in our own television, but the match is going on the other state or other country. How it is going to be possible? Because of the satellites. The satellites can send the video to the television. It can receive and it can send the signals. Measurements of the distance and travel of a GNS signals. GNS signals are depend on the line of sight to satellites with the reflections or obstruction resulting in the error's estimated position. GNS system, while having their own origin in military applications, have been adapted for many civilian use from recordation, navigation to automated vehicle location system. While the GPS standard positioning services without any correction, sources establish a 30-meter range error limit for civilian use. GPS receivers typically perform the better than in the standard with errors primarily from the atmosphere. This is further improved in mobile devices by assisting the GPS and Wi-Fi's. These slide telling that GPS systems are going to be used in military applications, and also, for example, if you consider a LAC or LAC or LAC LAC, Rafales. These are the some fighter jet. LAC stands for Light Combat Aircraft, and Rafales are these. If you consider these two fighter jets, how can they can run and how can they can take off and take on by receiving the signals. It can able to land or it can able to take off or take on. So and also it can how can it will detect the enemy location because of GPS and GNS systems. That is the reason GPS and GNS are plays crucial role in aircraft, fighter jet aircraft, not only in fighter jet aircraft, in any and general applications, and also services without any and also any without any correction, it can walk up to 30-meter range for civilian use. Civilian use means it is a GNS is a commonly used for transmitting the location of an aircraft to other craft or a air traffic controller, providing collisions avoidance and automation routing. While GNS provides valuable information to pilots, crew, and air traffic control, the GNS signals are subjected to a number of errors. Tropospheric and isotropic refraction, GPS phenophrenides, and orbit error, Pascal coordinate errors due to atmospheric and constellation variation, but can be mitigated using differential correction sources. GNS is a commonly used and also in previous slide we discussed the importance of the GNS in order to locate to find the location of the aircraft, and also air traffic control, and also collision of 1-to-1 fighter jet or planes. In order to avoid the collision of one fighter jet to another, then it is GNS plays crucial role. And also GNS's global navigation system, satellite system provides valuable informations like how distance are the destination or final destination are there, and how long should it will take, and how the air traffic control and the number of errors. These all things are going to know by using of GNSS. Further found that GPS accuracy of handheld devices was impacted by the obstruction of an antenna by aircraft surface. Antenna is a device which used to receive the signals. Antenna is a device which receive the signals from GNS are also strongly influenced by materials frequently found in aircraft construction, including aluminum and plastic, due to multiple path errors. GNS combined with geographic information system is used extensively in natural resources and wildlife management, including the monitoring of geological and animal and plant resources associated with contributor. First one, the antenna by aircraft surface. What is the purpose of antenna? The purpose of antenna, or the function of antenna, is to receive the signals. I repeat, the purpose of antenna is to receive the signals from tag. And also the aircraft's construction of materials are plastic or aluminum. Why aluminum is preferred in aircraft? Sorry. Why aluminum is going to be used in aircraft? Because aluminum has a less weight and high strength. And why? If you consider, if you used aircraft, cast iron in aircraft, it unable to fly, and also it the weight is more, and it have brittleness in nature, and it have high strength, but the weight of the cast iron is more. That is the reason strong materials are not going to be used in aircraft construction. The only things we are using, the only materials are less weight and high strength. And also aluminum. Recent years, titanium is playing crucial role in titanium is titanium material is using in the aircraft in nowadays. Trending material to construct an aircraft in nowadays, it is a titanium. And the geographic information, that is GIS. GIS stands for geographic information. Geographic nothing but the if we consider India geographic area, it looks like this shape, no? This shape, no, India will look like. So this is the geographic. This total area is known as geographic information system. That this geographic information system provides the information about wildlife management and also monitoring of geological, and also it can visual the animal, plants, and natural resources, and also some other information. It can able to view the or visible. It can able to visible the geographic information and the sources of the nation. So it is a main function of a GIS. GNS receives power due to the interaction between antenna and the other hardware assembled within the device. Area monitoring and management of natural resources from the helicopter is an inherently dynamic process. Dynamic testing of GNS receivers has been conducted under the various controlled conditions, including rotating features. Straight line fixtures are also compromised to real-time kinematic GNS, while have all demonstrated that deviation from static position will be negatively impact GNS receiver accuracy. Few slides back, we already discussed what is the function of antenna, how the antenna receives the signals, and what is after receiving the signal, what is the antenna going to be done. And these all things are just we discussed in previous slide. And also the natural resources from helicopter is a dynamic process. Why? Because always the helicopter is in motion. When the helicopter is added, then it is going to be in a motion. That is known as straight line fixtures. Fixtures is nothing but it is a one type of mechanical device which is used to hold the nut or bolts and etc. So that is the function of straight line fixtures. As a composite real-time kinematic GNS system, which have all demonstrated that deviation from static position will be impact GNS receiver accuracy. So GNS system help in a when the aircraft in a static position, the GNS will help in help the system to receive the accuracy. The Hughes 500, it is a one type of helicopter. For example, if you consider a LCA, light combat aircraft, or MCA, medium compact aircraft. These two are for types of aircraft. The same way, Hughes 500, it is a type of helicopter, or it is a model of an helicopter most commonly used aircraft in wildlife service, federal and state agencies. Searching for a target plant requires flying with altitude above ground level, altitude at a below 30, such the needs of averaging 2 to 3 meters seconds, not exceed 5 GNSS receive units selected representing the various categories of accuracy: survey grade, mapping grade, detected, consumer grade, mobile receive, consumer grade, and also accuracy, mapping grade, consumer grade, and also additional positioning information greater than 10 minute accuracy. Tribal R7 was used as a base station located at the landing zone within 6 kilometers of surveillance operation. The integrated antenna for each receiver was used. Data collected with Trimble assist field software for alternate positions are recorded in 1 second intervals during the three. All receivers are held by the front passenger seat on the stateboard side of the aircraft. The accuracy of each GNS receivers was determined by the root mean square error, RMSE. Root mean square error. The RMS accuracy of a GNSS global navigation system receiver was determined by the RMSE value. That means root mean square error according to the national standard spatial data accuracy, which the square root of the average of the sum of the difference between the coordinate values of GNS receiver relative to the another more accurate source of the same position used as a reference position. Here we report these divisions absolute distance between the position for 2-dimensional and the 3-dimensional coordinates within the post-process carrier. So it is an satellite. It receives satellite receives a signal from the helicopter, and also these two are antennas. This one is satellite. Antenna receives signals. It will send the signals. It is a section A. If we consider section B, it is an helicopter. When the helicopter is under the, it is going to be land or near to the land or near to the earth. So in between here for satellite, it is an antenna. For antenna, one mountain is came in middle that it offset the signals passing from helicopter to satellite. So that is the reason many problems are going to be happen, like collision of two same planes, or it going to be fall in a mountain or hill areas. These two images or these two diagrams showing that the reasons for this diagram is showing for the reasons for fall into the sea. when the signal is not getting. Dilution of precision, DOP. DOP stands for dilution of precision, or reported here to describe the effect of satellite constellation geometry on the position measurement error. When the satellites are in closed position relative to the receiver, the position error increases even though measurement unfortunately affected, including the horizontal, vertical, and 3D DOP are provided. GNSS activate satellites NUM sentence following recording satellites in real time. Main motor obstruction for molded as a 8 mm desk located in above 9 GPS receiver antenna inside the aircraft. So it is the antenna or the aircraft. It is in the within distance. It can able to clearly receive the signals, including the horizontal and vertical 3D DOP provided in the GNS DOP, and activate satellites select recordings real time. The standard accuracy achieved by the survey grade GNS was expected compromised in highly confounding dynamic environment where the computational demands to achieve highly positions requires static conditions, open sky. Based on the sky visibility obstruction by the craft surfaces and mountains, certain appear factors influencing the accuracy GNS positioning. If you come to this point, according to the aircraft surfaces, mountains and terrain appearance, these factors are these mountains and terrain appears for these factors are influencing the accurate GNS positioning. Simply, this point is showing that this type of mountains are mountains terrain are affecting on the accurate GPS positioning. Overall differential post processing offers most accurate proportional data with 4 times less than deviation measured in the trial of consumer grades. The error associated with consumer grade within the field of view of a managed surveillance operations within which considered as acceptable threshold. With all of the compounding effects, the consumer grade GNS performed reasonably well against the higher grade receives, ultimately demonstrate higher these surveillance operations. Thank you.